Excellency, we are delighted being here in your company and a company of distinguished directors of the Federal Ministry of Agri and Food Security this 7th day of January 2025. We had our years of development when we operated as regions, but we have to go back to these years within the ambit of the Constitution, thereby creating the Ministry for Regional Development and putting together all development commissions under the direct responsibility of the Ministry for Regional Development. It is in that regards, Your Excellency, that we identified the Ministry for Agriculture and Food Security as a very important partner. There's no price for guessing that the economies of the commissions, especially those of the Northeast, Northwest, and indeed all development commissions are built around agri. We are determined to partner with the Ministry of Agri so as to take these development commissions back to their original mandates, repositioning them, taking maximum advantage and benefits of collaborative engagements with the Ministry of Food Security, Ministry of Agri and Food Security, so as to reposition those commissions back to development, back to prosperity.
The delegation permanent secretary, like I said, the ministry is open. I would suggest that permanent secretaries should liaise and see areas of collaboration, and let us set up like a team to look into how we can develop the concepts, whether it is by partnership, by technical advice, and whatever, in such a way that we can achieve the mandate given to us by Mr. President, and also the satisfaction of the Nigerian populace. So thank you very much.